Metadata Utility Country Input Mask. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Edit Country and Input Mask. This will open the country code and phone fax input mask. To edit a record, simply double-click on the applicable country code to set up that record in edit mode. On the Add Edit list, select Yes, which will set up the record in edit mode. Users will see a light yellow background indicating that the record is editable and changes can be made. Once the changes have been completed, simply click the Close button to go back to Metadata Utility. For any questions on regards the phone input mask, naming conventions, or any other questions with regard to the operation or functionalities that are built into Metadata Utility, we welcome of our users to visit our website as well as to click on any other videos that we have available. But in our website we have detailed instructions and step-by-step, as well as we have detailed FAQ, how-to, and troubleshooting sections in which we dive into detailed step-by-step instructions on the different and several features that are built in Metadata Utility to enable users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library. We thank you for watching.